Today we're going to be making Oreo Cappuccino Cups. Welcome back to Eatsy, where if we can make it, so can you, because it's Eatsy. This recipe makes 18 cappuccino cups, so you'll need 1.5 cupcake pans. For ingredients for this recipe, you'll need cinnamon, a package of Oreos, a 1/4 cup of coffee, 2 packages of powdered Dream Whip, vanilla extract, and a 4-serving package of vanilla pudding. After lining your cupcake pan with paper baking cups, place an Oreo in the bottom of each cup. Then in a bowl, we'll combine all the wet ingredients. That's the 1/4 cup of coffee, and because we're making 2 packages of Dream Whip, we'll put in 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 whole cup of milk. If you're not using the powdered Dream Whip, you can just buy one of the pre-made tubs. Next, into the milk mixture, we'll add the dry ingredients. That's a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and both the packages of powdered Dream Whip. And then you know what comes next. Your Dream Whip is done when it makes peaks as you're mixing it. Then we'll need another 1.5 cups of milk. Pour the milk into a separate bowl and add a package of vanilla pudding. Give it a quick whip just to make sure that all the powder is mixed in with the milk. Then we're going to pour the vanilla pudding into the Dream Whip mixture. You could hand fold this together, but why do that when we have power mixers? Next, we're going back to our cupcake pan and we're going to fill each of the cups with the pudding mixture. When done, pop those bad boys in the freezer for at least 2 hours or overnight. Make sure that you take them out of the freezer only when you're prepared to serve them. They are a pudding and they will melt when they're not frozen. Now you can decorate them however you choose. You could put chocolate sauce on them, or you could put Oreos on them, or you could put Oreos and then chocolate sauce on them, or you could put whipped cream. You can even decorate them for the season. Here I've put some little Easter eggs on them, just to give an example. And there you have it. Let us know if you tried this recipe and how you decorated the tops of them down in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and give a like if you want to.